In the heart of Cairo, a city that never sleeps, another day begins for one young engineer. The morning sun barely cuts through the haze as he navigates the crowded streets, just one face in a sea of millions. The rhythm of his life is dictated by the relentless clock of a demanding job. Endless meetings, stacks of paperwork, and the constant pressure to perform. His commute home is a slow crawl, a blur of traffic and tired faces, each a reflection of his own exhaustion. By the time he walks through his door, the day has already taken its toll. His eyes are heavy, his shoulders slumped. This isn't the life he dreamed of. But as the city outside settles into a quiet hum, his world comes alive. At a small desk, illuminated only by the glow of his laptop, a different kind of work begins. This is where his real passion ignites. Fueled by coffee and a burning desire for something more, he dives into the world of AI tools and online creation. His fingers fly across the keyboard, turning ideas into reality, code into content. Each night is a race against the sunrise, a quiet rebellion against the life he's expected to live. He's building something from nothing, brick by digital brick. The screen reflects in his eyes, no longer tired, but filled with a fierce determination. He's not just an engineer anymore, he's a creator, an innovator, the architect of his own future. Then, one night, it happens, a notification pops up on his screen. A simple line of text that changes everything, his first online income. It's not a fortune, but it's more than just money, it's proof. It's a signal that his late-night hustle, his sacrifice, his dream, it's all real. A wave of emotion washes over him. In that small, quiet room, he sees a new horizon. A future where his passion pays the bills, where his creativity is his career, and where he is finally free. His journey is just beginning, but for the first time, the path ahead is clear, and it's a path he built himself, one late night at a time. Link in description. Thanks for watching. If you're seeing this, it's your sign to start today.